Hey, hello guys. It's been a long time since I upload a video. I just gonna show you some stuff that I have been doing for the past few months since I didn't have it. I didn't have any internet service at all. So sometimes I go to my friend's house, but I cannot go to my personal, stuff. Here I just gonna show you some stuff. We started the project with Mr. ST. We were making the power supply, the SPSV version 2.2, and already that's a great design of power supply. Is this one right here. So the good thing about this power supply is that you can customize it the way you want it. So you want to use one single bridge rectifier for your application, you can just go ahead and select the instructions there right here. So it's pretty simple, it's not that difficult. Or to use a double bridge rectifier for high fidelity applications or stuff like that. Some people say that it's no how you say what's the word? Some people say that it's not, you lose something, but I forgot what it was. I saw I read that on the DY.com that you lose something. I don't know. That it's not really what's the word? Efficient is the word. I think it's efficient. Many people use the one single bridge rectifier for the application because the only thing you gotta do is just connect two wires to create the center tab, and that's a 0 volt reference going to be connected to the center of the power supply. Basically, this area right here, this area is going to be the 0 volt reference. Many people call it ground. That's the ground for the speaker and the ground for the audio amplifier too. So it's gonna have the ground right there. It's kind of difficult to explain that. All right, so we had that, and I spent some time. I went to DIY.com and I found this layout of the software on circuit, so I decided to change it and make it different, to make my own version of the software on circuit. So basically it's this one right here. It's a little, but no, that's the speaker protection circuit. That's not the one. That's the wrong one. I don't know why it's here. Anyway, I'm gonna show you this one here real quick. This is the new speaker protection. I have another version that is a single channel or one single relay. This is a stereo version of the speaker protection. The principle is really simple. It's not that difficult. It does not use any integrated circuit. It's just common components like resistor, capacitor, and transistors. Really common. So I'm going to show you the software on circuit. This is right here. So basically this is the software on circuit, same as this one here, but I decided to make it different. So it's a little larger. I decided to accommodate, move around the components for the components. So as you can see, we got the input neutral, we have the live with the fuse is going to be fuse, and we have the toggle switch right here. You're going to connect it right here, so that's why I place it right here. So there's a little toggle drawing of that. We got a capacitor 0.101 microfarad. I got a new logo. Yeah, it's really pretty elaborate. I spent like a month probably or something like that putting together this, making sure everything is fine. I decided to go with the small bridge rectifier here instead of the diodes, so it's a lot easier just to purchase. It's a package, the bridge rectifier package. You install it right there and that's it. And I think it's best. It's best for me. So this is the output for the transformer, and I need to show you the speaker protection. Let me see. Speaker protection is on this folder right here. It should be here, right? Speaker protection. Oh, this one. I did not see it. All right, so right here. So I had this version. Mr. ST told me that if I can help him out with the layout, so I just did it in probably a few days. I don't remember. I don't think I spent 1 week, or probably a few days. But I have a previous version. It was totally different, so I did not realize that I can make it better. So you know, when time passed by, You get to improve yourself every time you're working on the ledger. So I was thinking that this is fine, it's okay, but time goes by, and then everything's going. You know, this is the first. You can keep trying. I think this is the first version that I improve the layout in a way that is. I think it's going to be a lot better. So, and then time goes by, and I keep moving the components around to make it better. I'm trying to find the logic. As you can see, when you see the changes every time I move the components around, and every time I change it. I like this one here. This version, I really do like it because this is a stereo version. And the good thing about it is that when you turn on the amplifier, it's going to feed with the secondary from the transformer. It's going to feed this circuit, the center tap connection, this CT main center tap, and the AC, or one of the AC windings of the transformer, the secondary. So it's going to be rectified with one single diode. It's going to be a really simple DC power supply for the relay. It does not need to be filtered that much. It's just going to have a storage right here, the C1, 220 microfarad, just to feed the just to filter out a little bit for this circuit. It's going to be regulated by this CD2. I don't know why it's 2, because it's only one single center diode on the circuit. Anyway, I just put it as CD2, just like the one circuit that is on the PDF book, or J. Randy Sloan. So I decided to leave it like that. So it's gonna be regulated by this center diode, 24 volts. I forgot to purchase that one. I forgot to purchase that one. Yeah. Let me see. I think I forgot. Taira. Let me see. Taira Electronics. I think I forgot. I forgot also the 150K resistor. I gotta order that later. Hey man, I forgot that. Let me see. My card. Oh, I forgot to log in. Hold on. Okay, there you go. So I got these on the 221. View order. I ordered the components, the center diode. Oh yeah, I do have the center diode. It's right here. 24. Oh yeah, I ordered 20 of them. The 56K, 390K. I ordered a few of these. I mean, it's good to have a bunch of these. 20. I ordered 100. I really don't need that many, but I mean, they're so cheap. Why not, right? You know, I ordered 100 at 1N 4148, 4.7K ohm. This is the common diode, 330 microfarad. But the capacitors, I need to get me the ones. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal because the capacitor that I have for here, C2 and C3, there are 1 microfarad. Hey, hold on. Okay, let me see. I'm a perfectionist sometimes, so I like to make sure that everything line up really nicely. Probably Mr. S saw that I like to place a line. I mean, it's not really needed, but I like to make things really pretty. Why not, right? It's your project. Let me see. I think it's fine right there. Let me see. Okay, I think that's fine. Wait, hold on. Let me the grid. Snap to grid. Okay, snap to grid. Snap to grid. Okay, I think that's a lot better. Yep. Oh, hold on. A little bit more. There you go. That's kind of weird. That's fine. That's fine. Let me delete that line. So this capacitor, 1 microfarad, the pitch distance is 2.54 millimeters. So I decided to place, let me see, this is 2.54. I think they're too close each other, but that's fine. I don't think it's gonna be a problem here. I don't think the voltage here is gonna be that high. I mean that high, so it's fine. So maybe later on I can get me the 1 microfarad with the 5 millimeter pitch distance for this area, so that everything will look the same. But I decided to leave this patch, this pad here, so in case I just want to use the small capacitor there, that's fine. If you notice, I place all the resistors in this side by side. I think this is best choice, so you will see you want to do some measurements, you can do. All they are going to be in one spot, so you don't have to, use a clip, test clip, and put it there and do your measurements. So I think this is the best choice. I like this one. I like this version because it's a stereo. So after the transformer is on, both relay they will turn on at the same time. So that's a good thing. I think that's a good advantage right there. I like this one, but this one is, it's not that bad at all. This one here, I like this one too. But I made some changes. I see that I changed some stuff around. These traces that you notice, these are different. You see what I mean? So I can just place this trace right here and try to copy this version. I like this one here, this version here. All right, guys, I'm gonna start the video. I'm gonna upload this video right away, so I'm going to continue showing you show you more stuff that I have been doing for the past. I have the Yamaha P2200, a new layout, and also other stuff that I've been, I've been doing. I was doing on my here on offline content. All right, guys, have a good day. Hope you like this video. There is more to come, more videos.